Hi everyone and welcome to another Vlogmas. So yesterday we started this raffle top from Passionate Kelsey and I spent a few hours last night finishing the caps and I also managed to finish the stripes. So the plan for now is to finish this top. It shouldn't take too long, although the raffles are quite extensive, let's call it. So I hope I have enough yarn. I am going to single strand it this time, although the caps are double stranded. I think it's going to be fine and we'll see what we're going to make next. I just finished two first rows of the ruffles and I can tell it's going to take a lot of time. Maybe I'll do one more row or two and I'm going to take a break from this and try to make something else. The plush owl that I crocheted in the previous vlog, I got a custom order for an owl that was supposed to be a keychain, so I just showed to whoever bought this owl the first one that I made with the plush yarn and they actually liked it, so I just added a keychain to it and sent it off its way to its forever home. So that's exciting, but also I realized far too late that all the pictures I took of that owl were out of focus, so that's annoying. But oh well, I'll have to make some more of the owls anyway because I really want to release the pattern for them, so I guess that's okay. As you can see, the game of yarn chicken continues and I'm hoping to get 2 or 3 rows of the darker purple. We'll see if we can get it done because the raffles really take a lot of yarn. I finally finished the top and it's currently 6 p.m. It took me the entire day. To be fair, I wasn't working on it continuously because I wasn't really feeling very productive. It's just not my day today, okay? But we did use quite a bit of yarn. As you can see, these raffles really do take a lot. And I wanted to make it a little bit longer here, but I ran out of purple. So I was just like so over with it at that point. I just decided to crochet a single crochet border with black. I'm honestly very happy with it, considering it's pretty much a top made of scrap yarn and leftovers. I really like it. So I'm going to be listing that tomorrow, hopefully, probably, I don't know, we'll see. And I don't know what to do because I'm just not feeling it today. So I grabbed these 2 skeins or whatever is left of the skeins of black and gray, and maybe it's enough to make 2 ear warmers, maybe it's enough to make 1. So that's what I'm gonna try to do, and maybe make something else small afterwards, just so there's a little bit of content in this vlog. 2 things happened. The first thing is I have half of one headband done using these yarns that I showed you before, and I did weight them and it's enough for 2 headbands, so that's what we're doing. And the second thing is I found a new YouTube channel to enjoy while I'm crocheting, so I thought I would share. It's James Huffman and it's all about coffee. So that's what I'm listening to, that's what I'm crocheting. I'm sorry it's black so you probably can't see much because it's very dark in my room and the strong light I have here doesn't help probably. I'll just finish these, maybe record an update or 2 on the way, and after that we'll see what the future brings. The first headband is finished and I'm going to make the next one like 1 stitch shorter just to make sure I win the yarn chicken. The ear warmers are done. This is all I have left. I chopped it to smaller strands so I can use it as stuffing. It makes it a lot easier later. So those are done and no clue what I'm going to do next. So I guess you'll find out in a second. I think I finally made my decision and I am going to try to crochet some fingerless gloves with granny squares, and since we are kind of using up scrap yarn today, I just picked up these and that will probably be the last project for today. 4 granny squares are done. What I want to do now is connect them, and the way the yarn kind of changes colors throughout, 2 of them ended up like more vibrant with darker black and these ones look a little bit silver, so I figured I'll just pair them like so. So this is going to be one glove, this is going to be another one, and I'm going to use the join as you go method to do the last round of the squares with the last color that I have here. And yeah. The squares are joined and I decided not to weave in the ends yet. I'll probably take care of that tomorrow. I kind of want to add some ribbing to the bottom part especially, and maybe to the top part too, just to give them a little bit more coverage. We don't have a lot of yarn left, but I think we can cook something up anyway. This is the last snip of today and I'm done. I'm so tired, you guys can't even imagine. Voiceover editing Kami here. My audio got completely messed up because apparently I must have put my thumb over the microphone on my camera, so awkward. But yeah, we finished the fingerless gloves. They turned out pretty cute. I added a little bit on the top and on the bottom. I think 4 rows total, and I didn't end up doing a ribbing because I just thought it would take too much time and probably too much yarn. So even though it wasn't my best day, I wasn't feeling the best, we actually used up quite a bit of scrap yarn, which is amazing. So let's say almost 9 yarns almost left my room. The amount I have left is like minuscule, so it's pretty good. Sorry I didn't show myself today, but I didn't want to make it more stressful than it already was. But hopefully the next vlog will be better, so stay tuned until tomorrow. If we're on schedule, the vlogmas should continue. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next one.